What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to install apps, first of all open Play Store. Now in Play Store, here you will see apps in For You section, top charts, apps for children's, premium apps, and from here you can choose a category to view the category apps, or you can go to the search bar and search for a specific app. And to install apps, tap on the app and then click on install, and then it will start downloading the app, and after downloading it will automatically install the app in your phone. So there is another way to install app. So for that, open Galaxy Store. Now follow the same steps in Galaxy Store. Go to the search bar and search for the app that you want to install. And here look for the app that you want to install. Just simply tap on the app and then tap on install now. So when you will tap on install now, it will start downloading the app, and after downloading, this app will be installed in your phone. So that's how you can install apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.